With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We are going to use a suction cup to open a hole. We introduce a metal opening tool. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove the back cover. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. We release the screws from the top of the device. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. We release the screw. Lift gently the device motherboard. Now we remove the earpiece speaker. We release the vibration motor, which is attached to the middle frame of the screen. With the help of the spudger, we remove the sub-motherboard. Here we have the connector of the screen. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. We remove 2 screws. This is the fingerprint sensor connector. With the help of the spudger, we remove the sub-motherboard. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.